Good evening, my lovelies. How are you all doing today? Good? You had a good Sunday? Back to the grind tomorrow. I'm after my start of my Christmas market at Iso Omena, the Big Apple, in Espoo. This is a new one. This is from Jordan. Quite pretty. That'll be the face side of the ring. So first of all, we've got to punch a hole in it. There's J-Lo. And we go over to Big Bertha, and bang a hole in it. This is 20-ton hydraulic press. Yeah, the weekend soon go, doesn't they? 1 minute it's Friday night, next minute it's Sunday night. Right, who's a naughty girl then? I don't know why I have to do this all the time. If you're looking for a custom ring, I could be your man. Stand by your man, doopy doopy doo. Stand by your man. Who sang that? Dolly Parton? No, I don't think so. I don't know. Anybody know? Drop it down in the comments. This is Christy Burr. It's a deburring tool. You just want to make sure the edges are cleaned up. There's no cracks forming or splits. Otherwise you'll have a split ring. I don't fancy a split ring on a Sunday evening. Nice sunny day today, but it's still minus 2. There's just roads are just like an ice ring. Right, let's break out Bernie the fire starter and show it some love. This is called annealing. Just softens up the metal so I can do my stuff. I've got studded tyres on, but the car's still sliding around all over the place. They haven't really started trying to clear the snow yet. It's just ice now on the roads. Fun though. And then every spring, oh dear, it's dropped it on the floor. Oh, that's really oh. Oh, bloody hell. That's good to breathe that in, isn't it? God. Yeah, every spring they have to redo all the zebra crossings, all the white lines, because the studded tyres just rip them up. Poor, that stinks. Right, there we go. Yeah, we're going to have this sunny side up on the ring. So this goes face down. Jesus, well, that's a bit strong. Right, where's my impaler? This is a 1-ton arbor press. You want to get the clay nice and level, or levelish. be good to have it over there, wouldn't it? Been making bloody glass again all day. I'm still not organised for tomorrow. Because I have to be making the displays and that today for my earrings to hang on and stuff like that. Not that you're probably interested, but that's why everything's in a mess today. So then again, I'm usually in a mess, so nothing new there. That certainly burnt my floor. There you go, that's nice and clean. Let's go over to Spike. Give him a couple of 1-2s. This is a ring stretcher. If you've got any questions, drop them under the video, comments. If you've got any likes or certain coin you'd like me to make, you can even send me your own coins if you want. And let's show a bit more love. I do custom orders. I just ordered some more half crowns. I'm getting low. Okay. I did take you over that. You've seen it all before. You've seen it all before. But did you want to see it again? Maybe you did. Yeah, I don't think I've done a coin from Jordan before. I've got bits of dichroic glass falling off the shelves there. How's that looking? Maybe a touch more. That should do it. Focus. There you go. Now we want to straighten up them walls. Still a bit cone shaped there. So we go down to the bottom end of Spike. And can I get it in here? Not really. I think that's the one there. The whole bloody table moved there. I don't think there's anything there to... Let's see what happens. There's a bit. Nope, still a bit cone shaped. God, that stinks, that bloody coin hitting that floor. A touch more. But not too much. There you go. Walls are nice and straight. Do we have anything here to rip out? Yeah. You just want to clean out. There's a little lip there. You just want to clean that out. Yeah, if you want to check out my shop, it's yourfingermyring.com. All the rings in there are in EU size, but there's conversion charts on the interweb. Or if you want it slightly larger or smaller, I can adjust the size for you. I've got lots of UK coins, Finnish coins. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button. Bottom right hand corner of the video, there's a little red button. You hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon, you're notified every time I upload a video. Easy, eh? And tell you what, it's free. It costs you nothing. And then you can watch me cock things up now and again. And I will be making a bottle clock one day. A lot of people have been asking about my glass making. I can't do a video on the jewellery, it's too involved. I can do a bottle clock for you, but not quite at the moment. Right, there you go. That's cut out. So, let's get out Dave the Dremel with Kate Bush. So if you're from Jordan and you're looking for a ring, I've got one. This will be the same price, 28 euros. My 50p's are a bit more because they cost me quite a bit to buy them. This is just like fine steel wool on the end of this thing. It doesn't really scratch it, it just it gets the fire scale off, and it's quite sexy, eh? Yeah, I like it. $100 fils. Yeah, Jordan. Quite pretty ring. Right, let's chuck some polish on it. This is going to come out all over the place again, isn't it? Maybe not. Yeah, I could do with a bit more love if you'd like to hit that like button for me. Please. Or if you don't like the video, hit the thumbs down button. At least I know where I stand, you know. So a bit more polish on it. There you go. Right, let's chuck in Felton John. Good old Felton. I do seal my rings with a clear coat. It doesn't last forever, none of them do. All depends how you use it, how you wear it. But if it does wear off after a certain amount of months, you can always give it a coat of clear nail varnish. It's very similar stuff, really. Ouch. It's a bit warm. That's too warm. Right, what have we got, guys and girls? Well, I personally like the satin look. That's just by using Kate Bush and no polish. I mean, if you wanted this satin look, I could just go over it again with Kate, and that'll take the shine off it. You go back to satin look. And my girlfriend finishes these off because my hands are still covered in oil from Big Bertha, and that's why I use focus. That's why I use kitchen roll. You don't lose the detail on the inside. There you go, folks. Well, it's a bit tight there, but I could make it bigger if I wanted it for me. What size we got? This is American mandrill. My other one's sort of disappeared. This is nearly 12 1/4, but I can make it bigger or smaller within reason. So there you go, folks. And that says on this coin, it says please subscribe, and underneath it says please hit the like button, and then under there it says have a lovely week. Thanks a lot. Have a great week. Be safe. Love you all, and I'll catch you tomorrow. So bye bye.